down the stretch. Boom Gonzalez, Pauline Gaston, happy to have you with us on One Sports. Pilipinas Live app and the UAP Varsity Channel. 1-all.
Kung ano man yung tatawagin, dapat talagang standard.
Shyvana pulls!
Okay. Okay.
Really plays with so much heart, and it shows in every game. And actually, after their match against NU, Coach Ramil reminded her to manage her emotions better on the court. Angel said, sometimes I get so full of emotions and I can't think as much as I want to. Nothing at the top of her lungs, rallying her team, even if her voice already got hoarse. That's the kind of fighter she is. She is literally fighting through dizziness after taking that hit to her neck. That's the kind of leader that can bring the Lady Spikers.
She established against USD in the first round.
So that means
sent that serve to the net, and then right after goes to Nicole Reyes and says, "Bigyan mo ako."
no.
Bigyan mo ako. Shyvana ang binigyan. Doug Poyos on the counter. Doug Reyes opens up. Coverage. Hilogo from behind. Doug again. What an exchange here. Rolling shot. Reyes, dig pass. Malaluan sends it. Carvalho opens up to Poyos. Carino has been there. Laput. Bang! What an exchange! I have no idea.
Well, I'm sure she's triple-double now with all those digs.
Poyos answers back. 6'5", USC. Minsan mo lang makita si Coach Ramil gumanyan.
Oo. He wants this match. And the score?
LaSalle in the lead. Reg will push. Smart play on the adjustment in mid-air. Shyvana.
Oh, over ball.
Ilongo unable to put it away, so Canino will!
Yeah, and that set was so far and so fast. Talagang building with Canino, no? Kasi siya na rin yung pupuntahan sa out of system eh.
Abu! Gutsy set by Carvalho.
Gutsy.
9-all. Classic. Laput.
Oh!
This is tit for tat volleyball right now.
As an advantage, ang layo na ng approach niya. And that's good read din on the pass kasi alam na niya na medyo
10-all. Good pass. Canino. Again!
What season was her UAAP high? Which she's beat already.
11-10 is our score. Poyos. That's it again.
Score. Well, ang daming options. That was a good pass. You can see Jurado coming in. Ay, Abu pala. Now she served.
Laput.
Oh!
Scores! 13 points here for the pride of Perth, Western Australia. Carvalho.
Oh!
Ganda ng hugot.
And that's because of the pass. Kasi pinapasok na lang nila kaya nagsasagutan sila sa first ball attack.
You know what, partner? Di tayo makakapili na highlight dito because spectacular.
Yep.
Malaluan's turn. Oh! An offensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Bill Amlife, and Reg Jurado with 21 points. This one, a rejection at the net. And my partner's not exaggerating, by the way. 13-12. Here we go.
They go to the back line.
Laput again!
Oh, you
Shyvana.
not entertained.
Very much, partner, for Shyvana. Carvalho. Poyos. Oh! Rejected! An offensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Phil Ave Life. Pepito. Carvalho reverses to Jurado. We ain't done yet. 2 points for her. Laput rolls it. Nobody taking it. Match point number 2 for DLSU. Rolling
Shevana,
ball.
yeah.
Campfire.
The front line.
Carvalho reverses to Jurado. That's it. DLSU has done it. In season 87. Pauline Gaston, this was a set that anybody could have won.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure that they're, out of training, bonding,